In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text-to-speech voiceover in InVideo. First, log into your InVideo account so you're on the main dashboard. Have your script handy. Even a rough draft is fine, but clean punctuation will make the voice sound more natural. Once you're in, select the project you want to work on. This opens your editing workspace with the preview in the center so you can see how everything comes together. Look toward the bottom area beneath the preview window and find the voiceover option. Click it to open the voiceover tools. From there, choose text-to-speech. This tells InVideo you want the platform to generate a spoken narration from your written script. Now enter your voiceover text. Keep your sentences clear and add commas or periods where you want brief pauses. If you have multiple scenes, you can paste the full script and refine later, but writing in short, natural sentences usually produces the best pacing. Next, select the type. This sets the style of delivery, such as a casual narration for tutorials or a more energetic style for promotions. Pick the option that matches your project's tone. After that, select the language. Choose the language your audience expects, and if you're mixing languages, consider creating separate clips for each segment so pronunciation stays accurate. Then select the voice. Browse the available voices and think about mood, clarity, and gender presentation. A neutral, friendly voice works well for how-to content, while a bold voice might suit fast-paced promos. If your script includes numbers, dates, or brand terms, ensure the chosen voice pronounces them clearly by writing them in a straightforward way. When you're ready, click Generate Voiceover. InVideo will process your text and create the audio. This usually takes just a moment. Once the voiceover is generated, you can confirm it aligns with your visuals and pacing. If a line feels too fast, a quick tweak to punctuation or sentence length in your text often fixes the rhythm on the next generate. If you already have a recorded narration or prefer a human read, you can upload your voiceover. Use the same voiceover panel to add your audio file from your device. Once it's uploaded, it will sit in your project so you can place it where it belongs and keep everything in sync. That's it. You've logged in, selected your project, opened VoiceOver, chosen text-to-speech, entered your script, set the type, language, and voice, generated the narration, and if needed, uploaded your own recording. Now you're ready to polish your edit and publish with confidence.